How to add or change your profile picture on Pinterest app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change or add a profile picture on your Pinterest app. So first thing we do is we go to Pinterest. This is the home page as you can see. Now you click here on this profile icon here down below. After that you click on those three dots here and now click on settings. Now click on public profile and after that you click on edit. Now you click up that profile picture and choose any picture from your gallery and after that click done and then it must be changed. And that's it for today's video guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.